Oh. What is up? We're back at this. We gotta finish this out, man. Yesterday was just terrible. I feel like, I mean, nothing like catastrophic went wrong, but every single cut I made was just slightly misjudged. And yeah, not my best performance at all. I'll still make a video, you know, I'll expect a couple of voiceovers here and there. Some moments are honestly pretty laughable. I think it's a combination of just trying to make a sweet video and really ultimately pushing myself to like take that bigger piece, or you know, pushing my skills, I guess. I'm just trying to get better at this like everybody else. And yeah, yesterday was kind of humbling. But here's the video. I'm gonna finish this out today. It's cold and wet. We got to move all the logs, take care of that, and grind the 2 stumps too. So cool. Like and subscribe. What up? Show you what I got going on here. So I've got my single line. I've been climbing on, you know, I did a climbing competition earlier this year. Well, pretty recent actually. And a lot of the pro climbers were on hitch cords. So I switched back to that, and I've been enjoying it. I'm using the distal right now. It has slipped on me, but not the distal, it's the canute. But yeah, that's fine, just something to keep an eye out. But yeah, what I wanted to talk about was I've got my line going through this main crotch, and then I brought it down here to tie off instead of just tied in the canopy, because this, I'm using a beaner. And if you're not aware of like side pressure, you're not supposed to load these sideways too much. These are rated. I can't remember the exact rating. I'm not gonna put that amount of force on it. But I like to have it on bigger diameter wood. Where you get into trouble with side loading beaners is where if you put it on something small like this. Huh? I'm gonna try to send it down as brushy as possible. All right. I'm gonna need the rigging rope. I should have brought it with me. My bad. Stand there. And just try to walk this bad boy. Ready? That was nice. Sweet. Ladder? What about a ladder? Yeah, don't let it run at all. You don't have to worry about letting it run. Just keep it as tight as possible. Can you get it any tighter? All right, you ready? Ah, sit back. Hold it. Yeah, go ahead. Keep pulling. Don't jolt it. Just a good, strong pull. Keep pulling. Yep, pull. Well, that was kind of ugly. If I could do things different, I'm not sure what I would do. I mean, I can't go much higher up here. My rope, I should have slung this the other way around that union to give me a little more extra height, but that's just a tough climb. Whatever, like roofs get brushed sometimes, nothing terrible, nothing to cry over, but yeah. Whoops. Send that to my... Thank you. Gonna do some span rigging. Set to over there and cut it right there. Sweet. Start pulling. Yep. Let me get out of here real quick. So a little worried about that happening. But we're safe, we're good. Limbs on the ground. Yeah, I was wondering how I wanted to like combat that. You know? It's like I knew my rope was gonna be kinda in the way. I played with the idea of like setting just a redirect right over there and then have the line completely horizontal, but I don't know. It's whatever. It's all good. Go even lower. Ready? That's awesome. All right. We're gonna do the same thing on this guy and cut it right there. Span rig it. That'll clear up my rope. Get this stuff over the house. This one behind me, it's getting cut down there as a tip tie. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, we're just focusing on, we're gonna head over to that stem and take care of that. So I'm all set up there, and I'm coming down a little lower than initially thought. I just took care of this other side right here while they're chipping brush. But I'm coming down here to make sure that I'm butt heavy. If my tips are heavier than the butt, this thing will invert, and it won't be pretty. You know, it can be extremely dangerous. So you want to keep that in mind. You know, I'm not saying. Yeah, you just want to keep that in mind. Try to think of all scenarios.
I know sometimes it's really hard. That's this job's a prime example of that, for me at least. But yeah, we're pushing through and we're making good progress. So sweet, let's do it. I'm just gonna wait for these guys to finish chipping and get back to cutting. I can cut some right here, hold on. So, the reason why we're going through all this trouble is I didn't leave, I should have left this up higher to so I could tip tie this and cut it down there. So yeah, now I gotta negative rig this and have someone pull so we miss the roof. All right, let's do it. You ready? Yeah, you guys do. Keep pulling. Go, 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 go. Good. Get some love. It's to be act like a springboard. All right, you ready? Tell me if this breaks the GoPro. Well, there we go. Time to get out of here. And I just gotta grind that and clean up the rest. Yeah, and go lick my wounds. It was a good tree. Learned a lot doing it. So if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.